let's go to the store and then get a drink. These are so cute. Cutest cups I've ever seen. Look at the flower work. Are you kidding? They're all so cute. Oh my. That's not what I'm here for though, so I'm walking away. Jacob, you're welcome. Okay, I'm here for these though. If y'all are looking for a healthier option for pasta, get this, not the chickpea, because that's nasty. Now that we did good time in Walmart, we're going to LB to get a drinky drink, and then we're going home. Can I just get a large Laffy Taffy energy, please? And thank you. Have a good day. You too. I just drove past a disgusting human being. PU, someone who messaged my mom after they sexually assaulted me when I was a child. But do your thing, boo. Oh, when he's married. Do your thing, boo. Anyway, okay, we're going home. That's it. This is end of the line for you and me. Okay, love you, bye.